what advice would you give to other women? I mean, there's so many other women, who are wanting to be comedians or create content, but it's really difficult. I mean, given the way our society is and how things happen, what advice would you give to them to encourage them?
Well, Farwa, mostly there are two kind. If you really want to bring up a change in the society, or you want to talk about the issues that we are having, or you have a different perspective and you want to put it forth or put it forward, there are mostly two ways of doing it. Uh, Either you can say it in such a language or in such a way that does not offend the masses
Yeah.
and puts the message across. And the other way, the second way is disruption. Either you
Yeah.
are a disruptor or you are just a preacher. So I took the easier way. On my online or on screen persona, I'm more of a preacher. Like, I would want to communicate and talk in people's own language, and try to make them understand things by joking about it or by doing different characters. But in my real life, I'm more of a disruptor. But because I'm a female, I can't do that because of the backlash. So my sincere advice is, if you are living in Pakistan, if you have stakes here, your life is one of them, of course. So being a female, I think, uh, don't be a disruptor. That's my advice to you. Try to relate to people, and try to understand their perspective too, because most of the people who are bitter, or who have this patriarchal or misogynistic mindset, you have to understand that they too are victims of misogyny, because they have been brought up in a society where they are made to feel like the only power that they have is to just गाली देना और किसी को आगे से
Mhm.
degrade करना. This is what they have been told that is empowerment. So you have to understand that where those people are coming from. You have to at times come at their level, talk in their language. And one other thing, you have to understand that आप एक सोसाइटी को एक रात में एक दिन में चेंज नहीं कर सकते. और जरूरी है, बहुत
Exactly.
सारी चीजें जो हम वेस्टर्न या जिसको हम नियो लिबरल ideas कहते हैं, a lot of them are really not practical for us to adopt. So in our society, in our culture, no matter how much we dislike it, or no matter how much we try to change it, you need to realize that there are certain norms that we need to keep. हम हर चीज को बिल्कुल change नहीं कर सकते. We can't ask people to be somebody else. So you have to realize that we have to bring change within this affair that we are living in. We can't just push people out of this affair and expect them to
Yeah.
completely, you know, turn into somebody else. So
That's really good advice,
try to
you
talk to
know,
them in their own
to
language, and try to make them feel heard. It's very important. I've seen that mostly जो left or right की जो लड़ाई है, उसमें both of the parties, they just वो कुछ किसी बात पे agree नहीं करना चाहते. ईगो का मसला बन जाता है. सो अगर
yeah.
आपको कहीं लगे that you are wrong, have have that much of capacity in you to admit that you're wrong. At times अगले बंदे को credit दें, क्योंकि आप किसी को बुरा फील करा के, किसी को डिग्रेड करके उसको चेंज नहीं कर सकते. You will just make them even more set stone in their ideas. So just try to be empathetic and try to talk to people as if you are ready to listen, and try to come from a point where uh, where whatever you're saying comes from a place of love, not from a place of uh,
Absolutely.
despise, or not
So
from
I
a,
think what
yeah,
you're
try to come
जो
from a
कह
place
रही
of love.
है, be able to, I think, yeah, is what you're trying to say is come from, be empathetic, put yourself in somebody's shoes
Be
and
empathetic.
feel you are
Yes.
certain people, and let's own that as well. So, I wanted to quickly ask you a little bit more about your, your support system. and the community that you've built. Can you tell us a little bit more about them?
I've been extremely lucky to have really good friends, and a lot of my followers and fans have become my really close friends. And a lot of them, when they tell me that their mothers uh, they love my content, or they tell that, we shared this particular video of yours with a relative of ours, and we converted them to this ideology. That actually fuels me, and I absolutely love it when people who are older than me, like older women or men, they talk to me in that very parental sort of a way, वो बड़े बहन भाइयों या माओ या वो चाचू वो चाचियों वाले तरीके से, खाला वाले तरीके से बात करना कि बेटा हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है और आप करते रहो. That I just absolutely love that. Because for me to see that kind of change and support from a generation that जिसमें ये सब exposure नहीं था जो हमारे पास है, so I absolutely love it. And most of my fans are they are very they come from lower or middle class backgrounds. They are very much desi people, मतलब कोई वो bourgeois वाला कोई ऐसा scene नहीं है. They are very like grounded desi middle class family के लोग हैं. And when they tell you that, when आप बोलते हो तो उनको लगता है कि उनकी सोच की नुमाइंदगी हो रही है, that for
दिल
me
पे अच्छा लगता है
बहुत. It's very refreshing that a lot of people कि basically आपको खुशी होती है कि हमारे लोगों में ये awareness है, and they want to change the world around them. So this is my community, my friends, my followers, and they have supported me immensely, and I absolutely love them.
I think you empowering them gives back the same to you, and that's really important.
Definitely.
So we're coming to an end for this interview, and I wanted to ask if you had any last thoughts you wanted to share, especially on just financial empowerment. आपकी जो audience hai, like you said, it's middle income, and their everyday struggles are felt, and we want to empower them. So any last thoughts?
I think हमारे यहाँ education का जो main मकसद है वो ये है कि हमें नौकरियां मिल जाएं. What I really want people to understand is that and I want to say is that learn skills, be skillful. Education alone is not enough. सिर्फ आपको पढ़ना लिखना अंग्रेजी में आ जाए या अंग्रेजी में बात करनी आ जाए, वो काफी नहीं है. I completely support people who want to go for higher studies, or जो चाहते हैं वो डॉक्टर, पायलट, इंजीनियर और IT technicians, जो कुछ भी बनना चाहते हैं बने जरूर. But for a large amount of people who live in our country, they do not have the resources कि वो higher education की तरफ जा सके. तो मैं ये चाहती हूँ, especially women, आप अपनी education के साथ साथ always make sure that you have some skill that can help you कि आप घर में बैठ के भी अपना, जैसे हम कहते हैं रोजी रोटी, वो चला सके. That is very important for men and women both, but specifically for women, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ इतने societal issues हैं जिनकी वजह से औरतें घरों से बाहर नहीं जा सकती, सिर्फ इसलिए नहीं कि safe नहीं है या allow नहीं करते, बल्कि इसलिए भी क्योंकि घर में भी उन्होंने बच्चों को देखना है, उनके पास इतनी support नहीं होती कि वो बच्चों को कहीं छोड़ के जा सकें. So I think it's very important.
हुनर बहुत होता है.
हुनर बहुत important.
Possibility.
Exactly. If you can do something with your hands, if you can cook, if you can do embroidery, if you can knit, anything, आप अचार डाल सकते हो, अच्छा आप कपड़े सी सकते हो, कुछ भी कर सकते हो. I think that is the best thing that you can learn. जो आपसे कोई छीन नहीं सकता, जो आप बहुत छोटा स्टार्ट ले सकते हैं. लाइक आपका वो है कि छोटी छोटी कमेटियां डाल के you can start a business of your own within the comfort of your home. You can stay with your kids, work alongside, and I think that is very, very important. So I would definitely want everyone, especially girls, to learn skills along with their studies, and to be able to एक अपने इर्द गिर्द ऐसी community, ऐसे positive लोग जरूर रखें जिनके साथ मिल के आप, like कंबाइंड जो काम है ना, जैसे एक बंदा अगर खाना बना रहा है तो एक बंदा उसकी पैकिंग का काम शुरू कर दे, एक बंदा उसकी मार्केटिंग का काम शुरू कर दे. दिस इज हाउ यू कैन कम टुगेदर, स्टार्ट योर ओन बिजनेस, एंड यू नो दिस इज हाउ business empires start. So sky is the limit,
Absolutely.
and
I love that
start
last
small.
example.
Yeah,
Thank
start
you.
small and go ahead. Like you can do anything you want to do.
Thank you so much, Tamkina. This was wonderful. Thank you for coming to onto Around platform.